I'm trying to find the time.
To give you the maximum contact time possible without you smoking weed.
Okay. I think I got a minute.
He's burping out smoke. Oh. What?
Alright, I gotta quit this shit for a minute. I always thought if I could just keep going and going, it'd all be gone. But no.
So what's the story? When did these burps start, James? What's the story behind these burps?
Fuck, at least 4 years ago.
What happened?
I don't know, some kind of change in my life and body. And now I'm about to be 30, so I'm stuck with burps. They just come out. See?
Oh,